In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change sound equalizer in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to improve the tone of your audio and make it sound cleaner, fuller, or more balanced, adjusting the equalizer is a great place to start. Inside DaVinci Resolve, this can be done directly from the Fairlight page, where you have access to audio controls for each track in your project. To begin, go down to the bottom section of DaVinci Resolve and click on Fairlight. This is the dedicated audio workspace, and it gives you more precise control over your sound than the standard editing page. Once you're there, you'll be able to see your audio tracks more clearly, along with the mixer controls that belong to each one. From here, keep in mind that each audio track has its own mixer. That means any EQ changes you make can affect the specific track you're working on, which is helpful if you want to adjust dialogue, music, or sound effects separately. Before opening the equalizer, click on the audio clip you want to work with. When you do that, it should become highlighted on the right side, confirming that the correct clip or track is selected. After selecting the audio, look over to the right panel and scroll down until you find the EQ section. This is where the equalizer controls are located. Once you see it, double-click on EQ to open it. As soon as it opens, you'll have access to the equalizer settings and can start shaping the sound. You'll notice different options here, including controls for adjusting frequency and a visual line that you can drag. These tools let you change how much of the low, mid, or high frequencies are present in the sound. For example, dragging the line gives you a more visual way to make changes, while adjusting frequency settings can help you be more precise. If you're new to EQ, small changes usually work best, since even minor adjustments can make a noticeable difference. That's all it takes to access and change the sound equalizer in DaVinci Resolve. Once you know where the Fairlight page is and how to open the EQ section, it becomes much easier to fine-tune your audio and get a better overall sound for your project.